Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make PDF file on Android phone. Alright, let's begin. First, download and open the Google Drive app on your phone. This method is simple and works on most Android devices. To scan a document, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner and select Scan. Place your document on a flat surface and let the camera capture it. Adjust the edges if needed, then tap Done. After that, save the file as a PDF. The second method is using an image. Tap the plus icon again and upload a photo from your gallery or camera. Open the image, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Print. From the printer options, choose Save as PDF. You can change the orientation if needed, then save the file. The last method is for text documents. Upload the file to Drive, open it, tap the three dots, select Print, then choose Save as PDF. So that's basically how you can make PDF file on Android phone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.